I am literally fucking disgusted right now. I live in Syria and we've been in war for 7 years. We suffered a lot in this city, okay? We suffered a lot. We lost a lot of people we love, and we suffered from a war for 7 years. We have no electricity, we have no gas, we have nothing. We have nothing that a human being can possibly want, okay? Like the normal human things, the normal human needs, we don't even have. And now the earthquake happened, and not a single person tried to help us. Yes, I know it happened in Turkey, and I'm so sorry for Turkey. And I know that there are a lot of people that suffered in Turkey, but we suffered too, okay? We are humans. We are fucking humans. Stop that shit and stop like not helping us in any way. Like, what did we do? We are humans. It's not our fault that the war happened and everything happened. We need your help. People are dying and they don't have a place to go to. Their homes are crushed down. There are literally childs that all of their people, all of their families are dead now. Please, like, anything can help. Please just share this and to just let people know that Syria is suffering. Please share anything. Donate everything you can. Please just help them. Like, it's not fair. It's not our fault that we were born in a country that we can't even fucking get out of, okay? It's not our fault that our passports does not allow us to go anywhere in the fucking world. It's not our fault. At least just help the people that are dying. At least just help the people that are literally like doesn't have homes, doesn't have a family right now. And they don't know where to go because they don't have money. Just please help anyone. Please be aware of this. Please just don't make the media foolish you and say like, oh my God, we're helping Syria. No, no one is helping Syria. And I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to show you a picture that says like not a single plane got to Syria. Not a single fucking plane. So please just share this and just be aware of it and donate anything you can. Please.